In this tutorial I'm gonna teach you how to reveal objects with light in After Effects. You can find the project file in the description down below. Making a new After Effects tutorial for each day of the year. Day 23 of 365. Let's start making our light source. Make two simple shapes here. A rectangle here and another rectangle here to make like a flashlight. Let me select the whole layer and here select solid and a stroke like that, and here we have our flashlight. So let's call this flashlight. We have our flashlight here. Let's center it with Ctrl+Alt+Com. Let's make the light. So deselect this layer, grab the pen tool, and here choose the proportional grid to make a nice symmetric light. So let's start from here to make a really long light. Let's count 2 squares up, and from the center 2 squares down, like here. Okay, let's change the color to be white, and here we have our lights. Let's put this below the flashlight. There you go. We can disable the proportional grid. Let's also disable the stroke here for the light. We don't need a light with stroke. Now position the flashlight, move the light where it is the flashlight, and parent the light to the flashlight. So now if you move the flashlight, the light will also move. Let's add a little blur to the light. So let's add a fast box blur and increase this not so much. Here we have the flashlight with the light working. Now we have to add the object we want to reveal with this light. So I'm gonna use a text. So I'm gonna type here light reveal. Let me center it, increase the size, something like this. Also I'm gonna add a single glow here. So glow and decrease the threshold. Here we have the text we want to reveal with the light. So to reveal this with the light, we gotta make a drag mat, grab the pick whip for the drag mat of the text and select the light layer. There you go. You can show the light layer again, and now when the light passes where the text is, it will reveal the text. So now we have to animate this. I'm gonna animate first the light opacity. So go here for the light layer, press T to see the opacity, make a keyframe, and let's start with the light at 0. So let's make another keyframe at 0. Select both keyframes and right click and select toggle hold keyframe. Now it will be like a instant animation. I'm gonna make a little flickering, so I'm gonna decrease this to 0, then 100, then 0, and then 100, like that. And now let's animate the flashlight. So make a keyframe for rotation, and first I'm gonna make this to go like here below. This is this keyframe, then move quickly up, and then move slowly to the center. I'm gonna change the speed graph a little bit for this last keyframe, so it takes more time, and also for this keyframe at the beginning. Bring these keyframes closer, and here I'm gonna make this closer, and also I'm gonna bring this a little further. And there you have your light reveal. We can also improve the look a little bit. So to start, we can change the mode of the light to be soft light. So now it's like the same color as the background. We can also duplicate this layer, and this could be normal, and we can decrease the light opacity. So let me go here closer to the keyframes, select all the keyframes where it is at 100% and change it to 20. There you go. Now it is like a more realistic light. I'm gonna change the color of the text, this color, yeah. And let me add another glow with more radius, higher threshold. Now let's see the animation. And now the last thing to do is let's add a little motion blur to the flashlight. Now when it moves, have that little smear. So there you go. This is a pretty easy way to make a light reveal here in After Effects. You can find the project file down in the description, and see you in the next tutorial. See ya.